Is there a secret to growing potatoes in bags? Did you have a smaller harvest than expected? Is this your first time growing potatoes in containers? Well, I made this video for you. I had these grow bags. They're 10-gallon grow bags in my shed, and I thought this year I would like to try and grow potatoes. This is where I am currently in the season. It's mid-season, and you can see I have some nice foliage growing in the bags. This isn't the first time that I have grown potatoes. I have had some success growing potatoes in the past. Well, I really didn't put any effort into it. I threw a potato in the ground and I ended up getting some potatoes. However, I have learned a few things. So what's the trick to growing potatoes in bags? In your garden bed, you can do what's called hilling. However, when growing in containers or bags, there really isn't anywhere for those roots to grow. And I found that the trick for growing potatoes in bags is layering. I would add soil, add more soil, add more soil. With more of the plant stem buried deep below, the more potatoes you'll grow. And this deep soil protects the tubers from the light exposure, which will turn potatoes green. What you're actually doing is having your stems grow additional roots to get additional tubers. Now I have this bag of soil here because I'm going to be doing my final replenish. When I first planted the little tiny potatoes, I had soil up to here. And this means you start at the very bottom of your bag, then I added more and I continued all the way up. And if you can see, I have a lot of space in these bags to still add a lot of soil. Now midway through the season, you'll probably want to fertilize your plants, including your potatoes. I'm just using potting soil because there's a lot of nutrients inside this bag. You can also use compost, liquid fertilizer, anything you want to give your plants an extra boost for that final grow before the end of the season. As you can see, the leaves and the stems, they're getting covered. There we go. Now at the top, and you can see there's a lot to fill. And I'm just gonna leave it until this foliage starts to die. Then I'm gonna dump the bag and see if I have any potatoes.